Hey everybody, it's Jeff, and this is the Indie Game Legend 3D Development Log Update 18. It's been a whole month since the last update. What the hell have we been doing? Well, we've been finishing the last 3 major sectors of the game and gearing up for early access. So let's take a look at what we got done. This sector is haunting. The ethereal aesthetic of this area is paired with creepy enemies and a few interesting surprises. We introduce the torch, which is used in a number of puzzles. Spiders return in a crystal form like the crates, and of course we have our crystals all over. The real centerpiece of this area is the Howling Cube. I don't want to ruin the surprise, but this mysterious black cube is likely to cause you some trouble. If you were wondering where all these robot enemies are coming from, this is the answer. This factory is a dangerous place. Besides crawling with enemies, these conveyor belts are going to get you into some trouble. You can turn them off sometimes with a switch, but this turns off the power to the room, so it goes dark. There's also a lot of pools of tarry oil around. Not only does this act a bit like quicksand, but if ignited by an explosion or certain weapons, the whole pool goes up into flames. And unfortunately, this sector is riddled with bomb blocks. Lastly, this area is the only sector with double-door corridors. You might think this is trivial, but it introduces a whole new level of complexity to navigating and solving puzzles in this sector. This area is gross. The whole area is like a living organism trying to extinguish you like an invading bacterium. It's full of blood and scabby floors and eyeballs that pop out of the walls. Doorways sometimes now have mouths that shoot skulls at you that erupt with blood when you kill them. Actually, nearly everything erupts with blood here, and this isn't even the full extent of it. What's really fun about this area are these fat blobs throughout the sector. You have to shoot through these clusters of fat and carve your way through. Some rooms are filled with these fatty clusters. And like the other sectors, there's more, but I will resist spoiling it all. Well, actually, I didn't even cover the new weapons we added since the last update, but I'll cover them next time. Until then, we're now going back to Sector 4 and 5 to make sure all the bosses are complete and start polishing them for our early access release. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and feel free to join me on Twitch during the week as we continue to develop the Indie Game Legend 3D.